everyone. Today we have a problem when we are given a nested list of integers and we need to return the sum of all integers in the list weighted by their depth. So what's that mean? For example, let's take this example. In this example, we have a nested integers, 1 and 1, and we have the root integer, right, 2. So in our case, each element, it can be either integer or it can be a nested list that contains more integer or lists. So for example, if we represent this one, the first example as a tree, so what do we have, right? In the root, we have a 2, and we have 4 children here, 1, 1, and 1. So what we need to do is, for the level 1, we have one element on the 2, and for the level 2, right, the depth of the second level is 2, we have 4 elements. So what we need to do is we need to multiply each element by its depth. So we need to multiply 1 to 2 and another 1 and so on. So what we do here is we're just summing up and multiplying by their depth. And for the first one, we are also doing the same, right? 2 multiplied by 1, and we are returning whatever the sum we have here. So as an approach, so what we are doing, right? So we are performing DFS recursion, and for each element, if that element is integer, then in that case multiplying by depth. If not, then in that case we are recursively calling, and in the next level, if we find an element that is integer, so we are multiplying to the depth. So as a solution, what we have here, right? So we have a DFS call. In our DFS call, so what we are doing, we are passing our nested list and we are passing a depth. So, and at each step we are checking that if that is a list, right? If that is a list, then in that case, so what we do, so for each element of the list, if it's an integer, then we are taking the value of it and multiplying by depth and adding that to our sum. If it's not, then we are recursively calling and we are increasing the depth. And at the end, we are returning the sum.